Number 17. A circle. Okay, this is circle theorem question. So you need to know the property of circle theorem. ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral, ABX straight line, PQ is tangent. Okay, angle 85, 55. Okay. Find CBD. Okay, one more tip. Okay, when you handle the angle, okay, when you want to answer the angle question, don't combine together. It's better for you to split it. Okay. First one, angle CBD. CBD is here. So if you have a circle, oops, ugly, circle, CBD, you want to find this angle. Okay. Just split. Okay, here we have this one. Okay. So we have angle in the same segment. So this angle is here, should equal to this here. Therefore, your answer will be 42. Angle ACB, okay, ACB is here. So we take out ACB, ACB, ABC. Want to find this angle. And we have the tangent, another line. Okay, so this is an alternate segment theorem. We have a tangent and a triangle inside a circle. Okay, so this angle should equal to this. Therefore, 55 here should equal to here. The answer will be 55. Okay. Next, angle ADC. ADC. ADC is here. ADC. Okay. If you read the question, it stated ABCD is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So basically, cyclic quadrilateral will be circle, and you have a quadrilateral inside the circle. Okay. So this opposite angle equal to, if you plus these two, plus that should equal to 180. Opposite angle. So these two angle is equal to 180. Therefore, this angle is equal to this. It's 85. Because if you take 180 minus 85, you will get this, and then you get 180 minus this angle, you will get 85. Okay, angle BCD. BCD. Okay, we are dealing with no color. Okay, this angle BCD. Okay. Okay, this is 55 here. Okay, so we need to find the other side. If you look closely, we have a triangle here. Okay. So this angle will be 180 minus 85 minus 42. You should get 53. Okay. So angle BCD, that should equal to 53 plus 55 equal to 108. Then angle PAD. PAD is here. Okay, PAD. So we have triangle and we have another tangent. Okay, so basically same as here. Alternate. So this angle should be same as this angle. So you will get 53. Okay. So remember when you solve angle problem, just split it. get a clearer picture, easier for you to handle. I hope this discussion, along with the revision tips and answering strategies, will help you in your exam preparation. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Best of luck with your studies, and I will see you again in next video.